Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, we have seen 57 questions. The next question what we have, I want to talk about print function. Okay, so explain about print function with C language formatted data. Sir, in C language, we have some special formats are there, like percentage %d, which is used to read integer value. Percentage %f, used to read floating point value. Percentage %s is used to read string value. Like that, in C language, we have these notations. Can I use these notations in Python means? Yes, we can use. Okay. How you can use that? I will demonstrate by taking two examples. Example number one. Example number one. I want to read under display. I want to read under display student details. Like that I have. I want to read under display student details. Like assume first I am going to read name of the student. What type of data it is? String, right? That's why directly I am asking enter student name. I am not giving any typecasting functions because name is always what type? String type only. Then I want to read ID of that particular person. Like ID is always what type? Integer type. Int of input, enter student ID. Like this, I want to read. Excellent. I want to read percentage of the student. How you can read percentage of the student? I am taking percentage. PER is equal to what type of data? Float of input of enter student percentage. Like this, I am taking. Sir, I accepted three data from the user. Then what we have to do, I want to print these details. In which format? C language format. That is my requirement. First step, I'm going to print, okay, something like within double quotations. So student name, okay, student name or name colon percentage yes. In C language, we are using percentage yes, right, for representing string. What about ID? ID of the student is nothing but percentage %d. If you want, you can give /t. What is the meaning of /t? Tab space. Then percentage of the student is available in floating point. Like that we can use. Sir, this is okay. But in this place of percentage %d, in the place of percentage %s, in the place of percentage %f, which values we have to substitute? Please make sure we have to provide those values after this percentage. We have to take percentage. After that, we have to substitute the values. Sir, in the place of percentage %d, which value we have to substitute? ID, right? That's why I'm taking ID. In the place of percentage %s, which value we have to substitute? I want to substitute name. In the place of percentage %f, which value we have to substitute? I need to substitute percentage. Like that I have. This is nothing but what we have. Now, let us run the program. Py space test.py. Enter student name. I am giving student name as a Kalyan. Student ID is nothing but 105. Percentage is 78.45. Like this I have. Now you can see the ID of the student is 105. Name is nothing but a Kalyan and percentage is nothing but 78 point something like that we are getting. Sir, are you seeing? This is the way how we can able to work with C language formats like percentage %d, percentage %f like this. I hope this first example is very clear for you. There is one more example, one more what you can call one more usage is there. Suppose consider I want to calculate area of circle. Okay, area of a circle and round the result, round the result to two decimal places, two decimal points like that we have. It is not possible in Python directly. That's why I'm going to take the help of these C language formats. How you can take, first let me cover. So we have to take pi value, right? While calculating the area, we have to take pi value. That's why I need the help of math module. So I'm importing math module to this program. After that, the radius is equal to, maybe assume it is in integer format, enter a radius of a circle like this I am asking. So the person is going to give radius value. After that, area is equal to math.pi into radius double star 2, because pi r square is the formula for calculating area, right? That's what I applied. Then can you please print? Okay, so area of circle is percentage f. In the place of percentage, I want to print area. Now assume I'm giving the input like 8. 8 is nothing but radius. Sir, you can see 201.061930 like that I'm getting. But in the question you can see after this decimal point, I need only 2 points. In C language, in the format specifiers, we can take a point to f, point to f. So if you take point to f, what is the meaning? After point, it is going to print two decimal places. If we are using point 3f, three decimal places, like that we are going to get. Now supply the same program 8, you can see we are getting 201.06. Like explicitly, you can provide how many points you need after points. This is nothing but one more advantage what we have for this C language formats. Okay, I hope the concept is very clear for you, right? Thank you, friends.